So please forgive the quality. I am on my phone. This came about very unexpectedly. I was out and about, got a text from somebody, and I've always wanted a motorcycle. Now I'm going to get one. I am driving about an hour. I went and actually to the DMV, got my motorcycle permit so I can do this legally, which is a first. And then went to the bank, got some money. I'm heading out soon. I'm driving about an hour. I'm going to do trial by fire. I've never ridden on the road before, but I grew up riding dirt bikes. So I'm doing trial by fire, just going to get on it and drive it home. Hopefully it all goes well. I mean, it's still a couple hours out where I'm leaving. I just wanted to give y'all a little update. I know I'm buying something else. I haven't finished any projects. I haven't even done any projects. I'm working on the timing belt on my Yugo, but it's being such a pain. So that's put that on hold. But right now, that's what I'm doing. All right, guys, so I just stopped and met up with somebody off Facebook, bought a helmet. The guy with the motorcycle said he had a helmet, but he also said it was a medium, and I have a really, really, really large head. So I found somebody on Facebook. They said it was a brand new helmet, little cheap helmet, like 55, 59 bucks on Amazon. I told him I'd give him 45, and he agreed. So I'm assuming it fell off the back of a truck somewhere, but I got that. So now all I got to do is go down and get the motorcycle. I don't know who's going to take me down there yet, because I'm definitely driving her back. There's no putting her in the back of the truck. I'm driving her back, trial by fire. So I will get back with y'all when I go down there. All right, so it's the next day. My ride didn't work out yesterday, Sean. He's taking me today. This is my roommate, Sean. I'm sure he'll be in videos to come. But we're going to pick up the bike now. We're about an hour out, and I lost my wallet, so hopefully we don't need that.
Yeah, hopefully we don't need your license.
Hopefully we don't need my license, but I have the money. So I guess we'll see it when we get there, hopefully. All right, so we got the bike home, but on the way, the engine oil light came on. So I got stranded. We got some oil, we're gonna put that in. We're also going to take this thing off. Got the oil, some good Walmart oil. And high quality. And then I'm going to hopefully get a battery tomorrow. My goal is to make the oil light go away. All right, there is the, let's see.
Is it enough to where you're gonna need like a wrench? Like a crescent?
Yeah, because this is the drain plug right there. Bring me some wrenches. Yeah, and I'm gonna need something to dump it in.
It's not working out for us so far.
We could
probably just not even worry about it.
We've been working on getting the drain plug out for like 20 minutes. It is stuck in there. How's it going, Sean?
Well, it's got to the point where I'm hammering things, so that clearly isn't good.
All right, guys, I know you can't see me very well, but I'm on the side of the road. I've been driving my motorcycle for about 2 days, and I was driving along, and it sounded like there was a fuel issue, and it started sputtering, and it wouldn't go. There's obviously a problem with the power, because I can't get the battery to stay charged, so there's a problem with the fuel now. I guess these are just things I have to fix.